everyone, we're at Gigabyte, and here we are with another Computex reporter, Michael. Hi Michael, how's your day going?
Hi April, I have a very good day. Since many people love technology, I feel happy too.
Yeah, and I saw lots of people here. And Michael, I heard that there are lots of gaming hardwares, servers, and cooling systems here. Can you tell us about it?
Sure, of course. So first of all, thank you for visiting Gigabyte during Computex 2022. At Computex 2022, Gigabyte will inject the power of computing with their groundbreaking products and solutions. And also from the personal use to the enterprise IT deployments, the power of computing connects server on the back end and personal use PCs on the front end. So let's come in with us at an amazing journey. I will show you how Gigabyte's power of computing will change our lives, also with 3 modern computing trends. So let's go for a wonderful journey. As you can see, now we are standing at the hub of the modern computing. So just like I mentioned before, we will introduce 3 major modern computing trends today. And the first one is the high performance computing, and also known as HPC in short. So you may wonder how Gigabyte's HPC can perform like supercomputing. That's because we have a combination of processors such as CPU, GPU, DPUs, and of course FPGAs. And also our customers are using our groundbreaking HPCs in many fields to complete different works such as aerospace, scientific, energy, and of course finance. So let's take a look at how they will do their research, which covers AI and big data. Okay. Mentioning AI, I know what you're thinking. I bet you're wondering how HPC can develop artificial intelligence. Well, this is Gigabyte's AI model training, retraining, and also inferencing. These AI models are used in sectors of defense, education, healthcare, transportation, and of course, many other industries, which can help our customers to develop their AI. And also, these AIs are a collaborating program by the inventing companies, the mailing tech with Gigabyte. And the second trend is green computing. As we both understand, climate change is a huge issue and problem which faced by all human beings. So Gigabyte is committed to our own CSR, ESG, and of course SDG related programs. Thus, at the same time, we understand that a higher computing power will generate more heat, which means more electricity will be needed to dissipate the extra heat. So Gigabyte's green computing solutions help our customers to expand their computing power, of course, and also will help them to reduce the power consumption, of course, also the carbon footprint. So these are the solutions about green computing of Gigabyte. The first one is air cooling. This is the go-to solution of the most data centers, as you can see in many companies. Benefits from Gigabyte's design in hardware, of course software. And also, next we have liquid cooling and immersion cooling. These immersion cooling solutions has already been used by Taiwan's foremost semiconductor company giant, and also of course Japan telecom leader KDDI. And the most impressive thing is the German Aerospace Center. Coming up next, the third trend is edge computing. So as 5G communication matures, edge servers with smaller physical footprints brings the power of computing from the data center to the edge of the network. Gigabyte offers compact and edge servers powered by AMD, Intel, and cloud-native ARM processors. These servers are the driving force behind IoT breakthroughs such as autonomous vehicle and also smart city solutions. And this is the bridge between the data on the back and the user on the front end, like I mentioned before. If you would like to deploy the enterprise-grade computing traditionally, you will need a larger space. And with Gigabyte's workstations and Bricks mini PCs, you can bring the enterprise-grade computing straight on your desk. And also customers can run the NVIDIA Omniverse on this setup. NVIDIA's Omniverse, needless to say, is a 3D simulation design collaboration platform used by animation studios, construction companies, and of course, the research institutes. Gigabyte's smart city solutions combines AI facial recognition IP cameras, and digital fencing to protect our safety when we are out and about in any weather or any environment. Our e-mobility solution covers autonomous vehicles and V2X vehicular communications system. The ADCU uses AI models developed in data centers to pilot your self-driving car. The fleet management system puts you in control of your own intelligent transportation solutions. Also, GIGABYTE's 8K digital signage solution lets you project 8K content with a plug-and-play SDM that is easy to install and maintain. With interactive 8K content, you can incorporate virtual reality in a retail or educational environment. Needless to say, GIGABYTE is the world-famous PC brand. GIGABYTE offers Aorus and Aero for gamers and creators. So they are powered by advanced processors, of course, from Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA. So you can harness the power of computing even when you're having fun or creating your own vision of future. GIGABYTE's power of computing will inject high tech into a smart world we are living in. Thank you for coming with us for the amazing journey. And also, always remember, GIGABYTE is our high-tech solutions to help us fulfill GIGABYTE's corporate vision. Upgrade your life. This is Michael. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.